Hello, hello, hello. I am Terry B. Jones coming to you live on today with another email marketing strategy to grow your brand, reach, and revenue. Basically, on today, I'll be sharing with you 5 follow up email subject lines to increase your sales. We are in October, the holiday season. It is time to make that chit chat cash while you build know, like, and trust that leads to clicks, opens, and sales with email marketing. Okay, so let's get started. Why do you want to have follow up emails? Okay, basically, follow up with your subscribers who basically just recently bought something from you. Okay, this is why you want to follow up with them. Okay, or maybe those who did not buy something from you. Okay, so either whether they bought something from you or not, you definitely want to follow up with them. Okay, basically, you never know why somebody may have missed a message, and the message is your email that you sent out after they purchased something or they decided to opt into your email list. Okay, now, of course, like me, I'm busy, so maybe they were too busy at the time, or the subject line didn't really catch their attention. Okay, because that's what I do. I just scroll through my emails, and based on the subject line, I'll click on it and open it. I may not. Okay, and so that's why you want to have definitely follow up emails and to connect with those who have maybe purchased something from you or they didn't. So here are the different subject lines. Okay, the one that you want, did you miss out? Okay, people don't like missing out on something, so definitely they're going to click on that email to see what is there talking about that I missed out on. Okay, the second one is please review your recent purchase. Okay, now this is so that they can make sure that they got a link to it or receipt or whatever it is they're looking for, to show that they paid for it. Maybe you gave a bonus, and within that receipt purchase, it'll tell you how to and where to go and download the bonus. Okay, the third thing is third subject line is you have questions, we have answers. Okay, so maybe they bought your product and they definitely thought they understood, but now they got some questions. So definitely, if you had a course that you were offering and they bought the course, and now that they have logged in, you may have some questions. Okay, and so definitely that email subject line will get them to open that email so that you can actually have in that email some of the questions, like the FAQs, frequently asked questions, that people may have when they have signed up for your course. Okay, and the fourth one is I'm keeping my promise. Okay, so if you promise something in a webinar, or you promise something within a book that was purchased. So say for instance, you create a book, and inside that book you say, hey, look, if you sign up for my email list, I will give you an audio of this particular book. So like the book that I have is Pray Without Ceasing. And so in that book, which I did not put in there because that book was published so many years ago and I didn't think about it at the time. But if I had put in that book, hey, go here to my website link to sign up to get an audio of these different prayers that are in this book, then definitely I need to give them a link to those audios. All right. Number 5, do you want your $20 credit? So if somebody on your website where you say, hey, look, you can get a $20 credit, towards this dress, towards this purchase, towards whatever it is that you put your name and email address out there for, to get the credit. and maybe you changed your mind, okay? And so they're like, hold up, they just want to make sure, hey, do you really want this $20 credit, when you buy, from me, okay? The last one is kind of sort of the same, but it's a care to share. Get $20 off. So now you're looking for a testimony from the person that may have purchased from you, okay? And now you want a testimony because guess what? People buy based on others, responses and what their experiences was with your product or service. So definitely that email will be clicked and open. All right. So all is not lost. Okay. Follow-up emails are definitely great to use to build know, like, and trust that leads to sales, especially if you're using email automation tool, okay? And so you guys know that's what I've been sharing with you all. I've been sharing Aweber, Traffic Wave. There's also Get Response. I have not done any videos on that, but those are the top 3 email autoresponders that need to be in your arsenal, okay? Your marketing strategy. They should be in there, one of those, okay? Because you don't want people to just be buying something from you once and then you never are able to sell to them again. So if you do not have an email autoresponder, then there is no way for you to follow up. There is no way for you to get a testimony. There is no way for you to answer the questions they may have. They may have bought something from you. Then they decide, you know what, this not for me. And they're just going to go and ask for a refund. But you didn't build that relationship with them, with the email autoresponder. And it's a simple process, okay? And so basically with Traffic Wave, which is what I've been using since 2008, okay? And basically you can get started with it for 30 days free trial. If you don't have an autoresponder and you're just like, I understand all of that, that something I need, but I don't have room for it. Hey, reach out to me, okay, at wevoiceit.com/appointment. And then we can strategize on how I can help you get your email campaign together, okay? There are certain emails that you need set up in your campaign. And as far as the email campaign, basically what it is, you create your letters up front. 7 to 10 emails up front so that you can have those things automatically go out. As soon as somebody give you their name and email address, they'll get an email, okay? A welcome email with the download or whatever it is, the discount, whatever it is you promised them, okay? Then you'll send another email out the next day saying, hey, want to make sure you got what you signed up for, and so on and so forth. Okay, so I actually have those templates. It's about 10 emails at a minimum that you want to get set up initially. Okay, and so if you want to get that done, you can reach out to me, comment, say email in a comment, and we can strategize so that you can get your emails in your autoresponder. And the beauty about having an email autoresponder, you can do an email blast whenever you decide to. So say for instance, you're waiting on this product to come in that is new and it hadn't arrived yet, but as soon as it hits, you already been letting people know, hey, this purse is coming, this perfume is coming, these shoes are coming, whatever it is, as soon as it hits, okay? Because you already been talking to them in the email about this product that's getting ready to hit the market. So when that product comes in, all you have to do is send out an email blast, say, boom, it's here, get it now. I only have so many, put some scarcity in there, what have you. Okay. And so that's how you would do that. All right. And of course, there are other tools and services as a marketer that you need for your product or service. Okay. Now, Screencast-O-Matic is free. Google Slides, it's free. Pixabay, free. Okay. You need an ebook. All right. An ebook is all it is just some tips or strategies that you can share with whoever came to your website so that you can get their name and email address and build that know, like, and trust. a microphone. Okay, you want to make sure you have a microphone, and you can get that. You need hosting, an opt-in page. I've been showing you guys on Aweber how you can create an opt-in page for free. Okay, so anyway, I am Terry B. Jones coming to you live again with another really cool email marketing strategy to grow your brand, reach, and revenue. And you can have a wonderful Wednesday, okay? And like I said, if you want to connect with me, just go ahead on and put email in the comments and I'll reach out to you.